At Saucony, it's about designing a great running experience. Of course, we want to strive to make industry-leading product, but ultimately it's about making the runner great. And with the Guide 7, it was a chance for us to take those philosophies and execution to put it together to achieve that goal. A lot goes into designing and developing a shoe like the Guide 7. There are numerous tests and processes that we do to make sure that we've achieved the right biomechanics and also the quality that we need. And as a team, we'll get together and just have our checkpoints and bring any concerns to the table so that we go through the testing process, we can outline where we want to go and how we're going to get there. A few years ago, we made the change to go to an 8mm heel-to-toe offset, and what we found is that it made for a more natural stride. It allowed the runner to get a little bit lower to the ground and more even with their forefoot, and as a result, have a more efficient and more natural stride. One of the ways we're able to maintain great underfoot cushioning, even by reducing the heel height, is through the use of our Power Grid technology, which provides better cushioning than traditional EVA. It's a blended composite foam that is lightweight and highly responsive. And because it is so light, we're able to use more of it throughout the midsole. So while other technology might be placed in certain zones due to its weight, with Power Grid, we can fully cover the profile of the foot, which helps when considering there are so many different types of feet. When thinking about making and creating that great running experience, the first thing we want to do is analyze the gait cycle, and in particular, the point of contact with the ground. This is a really critical part to analyze because it dictates so much of what will happen during the footfall. So whether you're a heel or midfoot striker, our SRC crash pad foam is designed to handle the vertical impact forces that are generating during running. Additionally, we added a slight bevel to the outer heel. This engineered contour helps to reduce that lever arm effect that can lead to slapping or a jarring foot strike. The next phase, especially for pronators, is the mid stance, where your foot is flat to the ground. And we need to engineer a nice, stable geometry into the midsole to help with that. With the Guide 7, we actually increase the medial sidewall height, which means that your foot is actually sitting deeper into the heel cup to provide a more secure heel fit. Additionally, we have a firmer second density foam that provides pronation support as your body starts to shift over your arch. But it's important to remember that stability isn't just about having a medial post. It's a total system that's rooted in our philosophy that a shoe can be very flexible and still be very stable. By having the foot lay down smoothly, you reduce the torque around the internal joints of the foot, which means that the runner has to do less work to stay stable. We added more flare to the midsole of the forefoot to create a propulsion platform that adds support during toe-off, which allows the runner to spring forward efficiently and powerfully. We also re-engineered the flex grip design to allow the shoe to move more seamlessly with the runner's gait cycle. That allows for a smoother transition as you progress throughout your stride. We've tested the Guide 7 rigorously to make sure that we've done our best to give you the best. We're so focused on giving you a great running experience, and everything that we've done to the Guide 7 was to achieve just that.